Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Today I will be repairing my carbon fiber parts that are faded throughout its lifetime, and it only costs less than $10. So let's get it cracking with this repair. As you can see, the clear coat on this carbon wing has been eaten away by the elements. So I start scuffing this piece already, and let's see what we can do to repair this product or this wing for my Evo. It is gone, and let's see if we can salvage it. So first, we just have to make a different scratches, either this way, circular patterns. That way you don't have that. That way you have all that different, what do you call that? Scratches on it. This thing smells the material. So as you can see, it's getting there. And then I'm going to do a wet sand on it. I'm just taking out the top piece. Alright, so after sanding with like a 500 grit and then 1000 grit, this is what it come up with. I think the top layer is almost gone, but it's smoother now, so there's no more you know, like flaking. So let's just work a little bit more on it. This is all hand sanded. I don't want to use my buffer. And then I'm gonna lay out either clear coat or the actual material to make this product, like this material right over here. So I'm almost done with it after 20 minutes of sanding. Make sure to wipe off any surface. So I use brake cleaner to remove all the dirt and grime for the oil and stuff, and just some towel. So I'm ready to paint it. Start straight away. It's not going to be perfect, but I hope it'll be better than earlier. So I'm going to do a different coat on this. So I'm going to let it rest and sit for a while, and then I'll come back to it. And the cracks are starting to blend in. Takes about a few minutes of your time if you want to restore your dull looking APR carbon mirror. So this is my second coat or third coating, and it came out okay. So I'm gonna have to buff it in a little bit or dry it for how many hours. I think I need a little bit more coating. Alright everyone, I think I'm done over here. Just I'm gonna buff it later on, and this is how it came up with. It's not bad compared to the original one. I mean, not the original, but compared to what it was earlier. Thank you for watching. A few minutes of your time. Until next time, if you have a badly beaten carbon texture on the top layer, just $10 and it's all gone. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm gonna mount this on my car, back on my car. So until next time, God bless.